Hi guys, welcome to Simplifying Tech and Programming. So in today's session we are going to check most popular interview question, that is a class not found exception and no class definition found error. So in interview most of the time a candidate get confused between these two exceptions because both are runtime exceptions and both occur when JVM cannot find the requested class on the class path. Although they look same, but there are some core differences between two. So today we are going to check the differences, and today we are going to do hands-on programming in order to understand this better. So now we will see reasons of their occurrences and their solutions. Okay, so if you talk about difference, then class not found occurs when JVM tries to load the class which is not present in the class path. And no class definition found error is like this occurs when a class was present at the compile time but it is not present at the runtime. Okay, so then another difference is a class not found exception is a checked exception, and it is derived directly from java.lang.Exception class, and you need to provide the explicit handling for it. Where no class definition found error is a error derived from linkage error. So it is a basically error, and class not found is exception. So one more difference is like class not found exception comes when there is a explicit loading of the class that is involved by providing the name of the class at runtime. So that is nothing but your class.forName or class.loadClass. Okay, and about the no class definition found error, so it's a result of implicit loading of the class because of method call from that class or any variable access. So that we are going to check into one example. So first we will check class not found exception. So basically the difference lies into the root cause of the exception. Okay, so when you load the class at the runtime, so generally when we use class.forName or we use the class.loadClass, so we use these classes during the, you can say, when we try to load the SQL driver or Oracle or MySQL databases driver class. When we load, at that time we generally do class.forName. So if that package exists into your class path, then it will run. If that path is, or you haven't loaded that library into your class path, then it will throw this exception. So now we will create one sample program in order to demonstrate this class not found exception. So copy this code and create one new class. Okay, so paste it here. So now if you see, so this is a simple class where we have the main method, and inside the main method, so we are calling this class.forName. Okay, and we are printing if this is success, then it will print this message. If it is a failure, it will result into e.print status. Okay, so for now there is a no, see this it will look for this class loader, this class. Okay, so if I run this, then it will result into exception. So you are getting like this class not found exception. So in general, so here if you this we use in order to load our JDBC driver. Here for demo we are loading this util class. So now how to fix this? So just create this utils class into this package, name as utils. Okay, that's it. So you need to just run this program because we have loaded this utils class into this class path. Yeah, so it is getting this file into this class path and it is running successfully. So this is about class not found. Now let's see no class definition found error. When the requested class was present at the compile time but it is not available at runtime, sometimes due to exception during the class initialization, or for example like a exception from the static block that causes this no class def found error. Okay, so we will create two classes. So for now we will create this class_1. And we are creating one more class, and we will call this first class into second class. what we are doing, so we have this class 1, inside that there is a method 1 and just there is a print statement. Okay, so this is as simple as that, class, method and print. And in class 2 we will name as a class 2. Okay, so in class 2 what we are doing, so we are creating object of this class 1 and we are just again print doing the print statement. So whenever your cursor comes to this, so it will try to find the class it will try to create this object, and if it is not get, then it will fail with the no class definition found. So for now, in order to demonstrate, so we will delete this class file. So go to the project. Okay, so here class 1 dot class is created, so delete this. Okay, so we have deleted the class 1. So what it is saying, so at the compile time only, so it is present at compile time, but it is not available at runtime. So we have deleted, so it is not available at runtime. So let's run the class 2. Okay, so it will try to create the object and it will fail. Yes, exception has occurred. What type of exception? So you can see this is a no class definition found error, that is a class underscore 1. Okay, and this is the parent exception. So we we got this no class definition found error. Okay, so okay, so in order to fix this, so what we have to do, so just build it again. Let's verify if class file is created. Okay, so again our class file is created. So now run this project, so that we will not get this exception. Yes, so this definition was found, means so at the compile time that class is present, and at runtime also that class is present. So as a summary, so both of these exceptions are related to class path, and Java runtime unable to find that class at runtime. So it's important to note their difference. So after going through this session, so I hope you have cleared this doubt about these two exceptions. So stay tuned for further sessions, and thanks a lot for watching.